Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to act fast and methodically. First, confirm a working Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Weak networks break iMessage. Once connected, open Settings, go to Messages and toggle iMessage off. Wait 5-10 seconds, then toggle it back on. If activation stalls, go to Settings, right arrow your name and sign out of Apple ID, then sign back in. This forces re-authentication. Doing these steps now clears common activation and delivery glitches, so messages can start flowing again. Once iMessage toggle and Apple ID are fixed, tackle network and app state. Reset network settings to remove stale DNS and carrier hiccups. This won't erase apps but reboots Wi-Fi and cellular settings. Then force quit the Messages app by swiping up or double tap home, reopen and try a message. If a specific conversation still fails, delete that thread and resend the message. Attachments can clog delivery, so remove large photos or videos before retrying. These steps resolve routing and local app corruption. Now finish the repair by making sure software is current and the phone restarts. Update iOS to the latest version to apply fixes that affect messages. Once updated, restart your iPhone to clear lingering processes. Test by sending both an iMessage and an SMS to different contacts to verify delivery paths. If problems persist after updates and resets, contact your carrier to check SMS routing and Apple support for account or server issues. That single tip often reveals carrier blocks or account flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.